We don't sell them, we give them away to people.
Wow. Hey guys, well, it's here again from My-Island-Jamaica.com. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this special Little People series, I meet with Mr. Bromley, honorable gentleman here in Springfield, St. Elizabeth. He operates a thriving egg farm business, and I'm here to learn more about him and what he does. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel though, I invite you to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell notification. I do a lot of videos capturing this stuff. I call it the real Jamaican. I don't want you to miss any of that. So hit that subscribe button and tap the bell notification. That way, you'll see updated on all my latest videos. Let's talk to him. Mr. Bromley.
Yes, sir.
How are you?
Good.
Community of Springfield talk a lot about you. They're very proud of you. And so I'm honored to be here to just recognize you, appreciate you, salute you for the work that you've been doing in the community. And to get to learn about what you do and how you do it here. So you have a thriving egg farm business here. How long have you been doing this business, Mr. Bromley?
Next year, 30 years.
30? 30. How is it going?
Yeah, ups and downs.
Ups and downs. Are you still into it?
Yeah.
I see you have some people packing eggs in there. If you don't mind, you can go in and capture that a little bit. Alright, so this looks like your packing station.
Yeah.
Is it? Is that what you call it?
Yeah.
Alright, and I see eggs all over. Dozens and dozens of eggs, racks and stacks of eggs here. And green, you have a white crate, red crate, and stuff. Man, this I'm impressed. I'm impressed. This is probably about 10,000 eggs, eh?
Probably more.
Probably more. Like how much on a daily basis? How much these ladies push out? What do you say?
Well, it depends on the amount what we produce in each day. Because we can produce 70 cases, 80, 90, 100 if we have the birds.
You have the birds. And how many birds? I from the top here I can see probably about 7. What do you call them? Coop?
No, 17.
17. It's coop we call it, right?
Yeah.
Coop. 17 coop. How you manage so much things, Mr. Probably?
I have a bunch of workers.
I just say on average probably about 70 cases. That's good. I want to ask you, this is here, Mr. Bromley. This is, what is that? That's not regular eggs.
Well, we don't have a lot of those, but we have birds that lay blue eggs.
I didn't know about that. Tell me about that.
I didn't know until we just get a new set of birds. And we discovered that probably a dozen of them lay blue eggs. And
Blue
it's
eggs?
Yeah, and it's the same bird. When I asked the vet about it, they say it's normal eggs. But just in the genetics of the birds.
Oh, but normally it's white or brown.
Right.
White or brown. So you're going to cherish those? You use them, take them for yourself, or you give them to your special?
No, we sell them too.
You sell them as well? But you put them separate though, you don't mix them with the normal?
No, you don't mix them, you put them in individual flats to themselves.
Oh, so you can get a good amount?
Yeah.
Not 1, 2, 3, I mean like a trays of them?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Alright, I want to look at the farm, Mr. Bromley, with you.
Okay.
Typically you pick up the eggs.
The guys pick up the eggs, bring it here. The people who work in the packing house, clean and pack them.
And when you say clean, I mean wash them.
Yeah.
Wash them just with tap water.
Yeah, well,
clean them up.
chlorinated water.
Chlorinated. And you dry them and then you put them in there.
Right.
And that's the process. Basically, you call it the packing process. And you put them in the thing there.
Yeah.
Nice. And you send them off to Kingston, Montego Bay.
No, they all have Western packers.
Good. And I already supply some supermarkets too.
Yeah, a lot of supermarkets. And you have to hotel. We also do all 20 trips per day down here.
Oh, up and down?
Yeah, but these get older, so you slow down.
Yeah, well, eventually. But you have a team, man, which is good.
Yeah.
Yeah, which is good. But you move fast, man. Alright, guys, so this is one of the farm. Whoa, and you said, we said 17, Mr. Bromley?
Yeah, 17 houses.
17 houses. Alright, guys, so this is Mr. Bromley's one of 17 chicken farm, chicken house. Awesome, man. This is lovely. Lovely. So this is a farm. I say 1 of 17. Alright, so this is another area. Chicken, guys, layers. These are called layers, Mr. Bromley, right?
Yeah.
Alright, tons and tons of them. How much of them you? So this is two. What is this one?
Yeah, 3,000 on this side and 3,000 on that side.
6,000 in this one
hole.
And I notice you have white and you have
Brown.
Brown. What's the difference?
Well, the brown four layer brown eggs and the white four layer white eggs.
Oh, is there a special demand from the customer side?
Yeah, the brown eggs do better on the local market. But the hotels don't prefer the white eggs.
Okay, so it's always have a balance. Alright, so from my little country days, I noticed that I know the difference between a hen and a cock. Right?
Well, they don't have any cock in here.
All of these are hen?
Yeah.
Even these with the thing on the head?
Yeah.
So how you get them fertilized?
No, we don't want the eggs to be fertilized.
How does that work though? How you get the egg from them without the fertilization?
If you don't have a cock in there, the egg is not fertilized.
So you have cock in here?
No, because you don't want fertilized eggs.
Oh, so hold on. But
if you have fertilized eggs, those eggs can hatch chicken.
Oh.
But we're not in the hatching a chicken business. We need the egg production business.
Oh, okay. So these eggs won't hatch?
No.
Did you know that, Cher?
No. If you want them to hatch, you have to have a cock inside you.
So they lay the egg without the fertilization.
Right.
That's normal.
Right.
I thought you had to have a cock here.
No.
Alright guys, I'm learning a lot. Alright, so these are the white ones.
Yeah.
The seed here, Mr.
Straight layer.
When you say layer, what is it? What is in there?
Well, it's the ingredient what enhance the fowls them to lay.
Oh, okay. So is it like wheat or stuff like
corn, soya, all of that with added proteins and vitamins and all of that.
Okay, all of this stuff. I am impressed, man. I feel. One fly. Did they fly as well?
Yeah. It's birds. They are birds.
But they don't fly very far, don't they?
Yeah, these can fly very far. The white ones, but the brown ones are heavier, so they won't do much flying.
Okay. Would you say the white one are more productive as well? Give more eggs?
Yeah, the white one live longer, better production.
All right, which brings me to the next couple of questions.
And they eat less as well.
Oh, so they are better for your business.
Right.
I have a couple of questions I have. Guys, if you're getting any value from this, I want you to hit that like button. I'm learning a lot from Mr. Bromley, a veteran in the business in Springfield here in Jamaica. A powerhouse name. What's the name of your farm again, Mr. Bromley? Global Eggs. Here in St. Elizabeth, feeding St. Elizabeth, feeding the Western Jamaica, feeding Jamaica. You know, so we want to just salute him for what he's doing. I wanted to ask you, how many eggs can one chicken
per day?
Yeah.
One egg per day.
One egg. Wow. Tomorrow. So and how many in a week? You would say seven per week, then?
Right.
And how long do they live to lay eggs?
Well, for commercial purposes, you don't keep them more than a year and 3 months.
And then what happens?
You get rid of them. Because it's not commercially viable after.
Oh, you don't.
After a year and 4 months, and they drop below 50% production.
Yeah. It doesn't make sense.
No, because they can't pay for the upkeep.
So there's a skill and an art behind, a science and an art behind this. And that is okay. You have to understand the business.
Right. Yeah.
Understand the business. Yeah. So can you eat the chicken after the stuff?
Yes. A lot of people we don't sell them, we give them away to people.
Wow. Okay. Okay, that's good. So that's to the community and stuff. And then you get a new set. The new set now you nurture for yourself, or you have to.
No, we purchase them from Jamaica broilers or Caribbean broilers. At 18 weeks old. And then you have to probably keep them for another 4 to 5 weeks before they come into production.
Okay.
And from there on, production the next year and 2 months, year and 3 months.
I have them. How do you manage to do all of this? I know, so for the record, you're also, is that just egg, not just what do you call it? Egg, not poultry. What do you call this? Layer. You're just in the chicken layer business. You're a gentleman with many skills and talents. You're involved in different stuff.
Yes, but so I get older, I scale back and only concentrate on it.
And this. But you're doing some other stuff now. What are some other stuff you do?
Well, we do pigs as well, but as we say, we cut back the pigs. We used to do all 3,500 pigs, but we cut back dramatically. We're wiping out the pig business because it's not profitable. You're losing money on it.
Okay. How long do chickens live, Mr. Bromley? In general?
Well, they can live. People have them up to 2 years or more, but they're not gonna produce enough to pay for them sustaining.
Okay, but if you leave them like in household, just
yeah, they can survive, but that would only it's not viable. It can't pay for itself.
All right, guys. So we're going into another house, another chicken house, and this is a brown chicken house. Mr. Bromley here. Loving it. All right, wow. Wow. Look at that. These appear to be a lot not as noisy. And not as noisy as the white one, but they're a lot more curious. Look at the head, all their heads up. Okay. Yeah, so what would you say would be, from your experience, what's the biggest challenge with this kind of business, Mr. Bromley?
Getting the birds when you need them, and getting them at the right stage.
Yeah.
Because sometimes you get the birds from the companies what supply them, and them have issues such as they are not developed enough. They take too long to come into production. So that further throw you into financial.
What age, Mr. Bromley, does chickens start laying eggs? So you get them young and you grow them?
22 to 24 weeks.
That's about 4 months? 5 months?
5.5 months.
5.5 months. And at what age do they stop laying? And what causes them to stop laying?
Old age, make them lay on and off.
Okay.
They don't really stop laying. They cycle. They normally cycle all year round, but they don't cycle. But they cycle less when they are younger.
Okay.
But when they reach certain age, like a year, they start, most of them, we find that a lot of them will stop laying for like 6 weeks, 8 weeks.
Okay.
But they come back on.
Okay. After you get them here, what would you say the greatest challenge in the business after you get the chickens here and stuff?
Well, it costs a lot of money
to
feed them to production.
Yeah.
And I say a lot.
Yeah. I can imagine. So it's really the expense.
Yeah.
And it's the feeding and I suppose the manual labor because you have to have a lot of guys here.
Of course, yeah. You have to pay your workers plus you have to buy the feed.
Yeah.
And you're gonna have anywhere between 5 to 6 weeks before they come on to production.
Yeah. You have to be patient.
Right.
Yeah. But you're still doing it. So I mean, you would have at least liked something about it. What about it? I know from a business perspective, we do stuff and we do it for the profitability, but we do it also because we love it. Why do you love farming? Why do you love this business?
In general, I love farming.
Love farming. You're
because
a farmer.
that's what I do all my life.
Lovely. I have a question, Mr. Bromley, that I ask all my interviewees. And the question is, in your mind, what makes Jamaica special?
Yeah, there's so much things special about Jamaica. There's no one thing. Jamaica is one of the best countries to be in.
Yes.
Look at the nice greenery around.
I can tell
practically anything we plant grow.
Yes.
And if you work hard, you can have a good life.
You can have a good life. Yeah, man. For those persons, there are people who are watching now and might be saying, man, I'm impressed with Mr. Bromley. He's doing so well. You and I know it's not as easy as it might look. From a business perspective, you have the challenges and they come in various ways.
You have a lot of challenges.
Yes.
But what you do is work on it and overcome your challenges.
Yeah. What would be your advice to that young man now, or young person who might be interested in doing poultry business? What would be your advice to them? Your best advice?
Make sure you have the market before you start.
Yeah.
If you don't have the market, don't start.
Yeah.
Because you can lose your money.
Have the market.
Whatever you invest, you can lose it if you don't have the market.
Excellent. Excellent. Thank you, man. Powerful interview. Thank you so much, man. It's a pleasure being here. I've learned a lot about egg farming and the chickens in general. I appreciate you. All the best to you. You'll continue to do well. The community here really loves and respect you. And I want to just big you up using this our channel, our media here, to salute you for your good work and for what you contribute to this community of Springfield. All the best.
Thanks.
So, Mr. Bromley, if there's anyone who is interested in reaching out to you, whether it's on a business level, I want to learn more about poultry, or I just want to big you up, salute you, to recognize you, whatever it is there a way they can reach you?
Sure.
Yeah.
You can call 294-5181.
294-5181. And the name of your farm again is?
Global Egg.
Global Eggs.
Fantastic.
There you go, my friend, Mr. Bromley, and his thriving egg farm business. I'd love to hear from you. What do you make of him? What do you make of this business? Drop a comment down below. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, I invite you to hit that subscribe button. Tap the bell notification. I do a lot of videos, stuff like these, capturing what I call the real Jamaican, and I don't want to miss any of that. So hit that subscribe button now. Tap the bell notification, and that way you'll stay updated on all my latest videos. This is the real Jamaican.